what's up? This is Football 2000, and that's Ken Sexy and Gordon 18. And this is a new invention. Go!
Yeah, we taught this. I'm just gonna be riding bike.
Oh my God!
Here we go. Alright. Just have to set it back up.
Dude, that was a mess up.
What? That's not what's supposed to happen. Alright, you ready there?
James, I thought you said you did this before. Go! Go!
Which one? Alright. Alright, ready? He takes the spill into dumpster.
Ew!
He's down top.
Alright, who wants to take it in? Next. Joe, get up. Come on.
Okay, I have to do this quick.
Chuck, James, running out. Time.
Run out of time?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? There's Pitbull 17. Go. Oh, watch out. He might come up and push him.
What?
Alright, ready?
Wait, dude! These viewers are gonna get annoyed. We weren't ready.